The moving company dropped off a bunch of boxes yesterday, like 10 big cardboard boxes, and they want me to pack everything up in it so that when the moving day comes, aka Monday, it'll be easier for them to just take everything quickly. So I'm going to pick up my key to the new apartment right now, and then I'm going back to my old house to pack as much as I can up, as much as will fit in the cardboard boxes. I'm gonna film a little bit of it. It's gonna be so fun. Yeah, that's how my morning is starting. This was my view, by the way, while I was doing that. Update. There is the biggest spider I've ever seen in my life in my bedroom downstairs. I think it's because there's a lot of like dead gnats down there. Its legs are segmented and there's hair on them. Is that not a tarantula? I'm gonna be sick. As you can see, I packed everything up. It took so long and my face is red, so I don't want to film myself right now. I'm so out of it, but it's done. I just have a bunch of trash here. Everything's boxed up and everything that can't be boxed up is ready to be moved out. So I think everything is okay. It's been a long day of packing and moving stuff around. I do have access to my new apartment, so I'm gonna start moving stuff into the new place. But first, I'm gonna order pizza and just relax a second. Even though I have a bunch of tasks that I want to get done, I think it's important to kind of recoup my energy before I start attacking my task list again. So I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna have pizza and watch the new season of Squid Game. Yeah! And that's my update. I look so tired. But the end is near. The end is so close. I'm moving tomorrow. flashlight on. It feels like a horror movie. It looks like found footage. This is the size of my new apartment, and starting tomorrow, I will be living here. I dropped off some laundry. For now, I'm just throwing it under the closet here, because tomorrow they're gonna bring all the boxes and the furniture, so it's gonna take up probably this whole area, so I wanted to keep it as much out of the way as possible. So for now, I will go back to my hotel, get ready to check out in the morning, and by tomorrow I'll be living here. There's like a whole fort of boxes, and I had 2 beds in my other place, so I had to stack them here because I don't have as much space. As you can see, it's furnished. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more boxes to unpack. And a lot of stuff to organize, but I'm just really happy that I moved in, and now this is the easy part compared to everything else. I'm so grateful to be moved in finally. This whole process lasted over a month. I think the hardest part was the unknown, because for a good chunk of it, I just had no idea where I was gonna move to. I never had an apartment that had like a view where I can look out, because my other apartments in the past were first or second floor apartments, so not much of a view, but now I can kind of look out. It is a lot smaller than my other place, but I kind of like that because at my other place, it was so big, so every time I came home, I'd have to do kung fu when I go around the corners, just in case someone was hiding, like every time I came home. But now, as soon as I open the door, I can see if someone's in here, which is, of course, there wouldn't be, but I have irrational fears. This vlog has been a long time coming, and not gonna lie, it was tough editing and filming and getting it all out. But now that I'm back on track, looking forward to making more vlogs. Bye!